Imperial Shahana. Ahmad belongs to an imperial family. Imperious. Maghrur. She disliked his imperious attitude. Impossible. Namumkin. It is impossible for him to pass the exam. Impassable. The bridge in the town was impassable. Ingenious. He devised an ingenious plan to win the game. Ingenuous. Makul. We all should adopt an ingenuous behavior. Industrial. Sanati. Industrial zone should be promoted in Pakistan. Industrious. Mehnti Jafakash. An industrious student always work hard. Judicial Adalti. A policeman has no judicial power. Judicious Akalmandana. Her judicious remarks impressed him a lot. Jealous Hasad Karna. He is jealous of my success. Envious Rashk में मुब्तला. All were envious of his luck. इत्तेरा